left
This
hand side and
conference
right
will
hand
now
side
be
of
recorded.
the AND operator. If the both left and right hand side operator, right hand side operand, not operator, operand is true, the result will be true. Otherwise, in case here, so we'll see it in practical manner. That's why you will understand. So true and true, the result will be true. In case true and false, the result will be false. Either false and true, false and true, the result will be false. Either both cases are false, the result is also false. You will see in the 1 and 1, not so 2, the result will be true. Not in the case of so in C, it is a non-zero value. That's why its value will be true. Here it is not possible. It will be true value, last value it will be produced. In case 1 and 0, the result will be 0. 1 and 0, the result will be 0. In case 0 and 1, the result will be 0. So any in case in the C, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. So in case this value is 0, either left hand side or right hand side, the result will be 0. So first left hand side value is 0. It will be considered as a false, that will be 0, but it is not considered this value. But in case it is the value is true, here it is it will be goes to the check it out for the next value is true or false, either 0 or non-zero. Then you check it out and produce the result. And in the same way, you will see in the otherwise it's any one case, either one, both cases are true, the result will be true. Any one is false, the result will be false. In the and both cases, if both cases are true, both cases are true, the result will be true. Otherwise, false. In and sorry, this is and or in or if both hand sides are false, the result will be false. Otherwise, true. In the R case, both hand sides, both cases are false. The result will be false. Otherwise true. in not, so here not is the vice versa. If the condition, if the only one hand side it is used, that is the only right hand side. If the case, if the case is true and the result is false, is the vice versa. We will see in a practical way. True, first we will see the true or true, the result will be true. In case true or false, the result will be true. True or false or true, the result will be true. Both cases are false, the result will be false. In case 1 and 2, it will produce 1, not so sorry 2, and in case 1 r, it will produce the, I think 1. That's a, why? Because means first condition is true, then it didn't check it out here. That's 2. It automatically produced the result as 1. In case this is the false, then check it out the 0 or 2. Then check it out. It's a, if the condition is, if this case is false, then check it out the this condition. It's 2. It will produce the result true. This, and we'll see the not true. That is a false. It's a not false. That is a true. Okay. This is the logical operator. And next one we will see the bitwise operators. Bitwise operator means operations are performed on bits. Operation performed on bits. So operators are this is the bitwise and next. So this is the bitwise R. Next, cap, caret or caret, otherwise caret. Bitwise XR, bitwise XR operator. Left shift, left shift, left shift. This is the right shift, right shift, and complement. So we'll see in the complement operator. We'll see one by one. So bitwise AND. So the rules for the bitwise AND is bitwise AND operator. That's a bitwise AND case. We'll see if the condition bitwise 1 0 or 1. If both cases are 0, the result will be 0. If for suppose A and B, if the values are, this is A, this one is the B, the result value will be 0. If in case 0 1, the result is also 0. In case 0, oh sorry, 1 0, the result will be 0. If the case 1 and 1, the result will be 1. So we will see that one. So first to, for example, 2 and 3. 2 and 3 will be converted into binary. So binary value of 2. So binary value of 2 is 0 0 1 0, and 3 binary value of 3 0 0 1 1. The result, what is the result value? Result value will be produced 0 1. The result will be 0. Here the 0 value is 0. Here both cases are 1. The result value will be 1. And next 0. The result will be 0. And next one, this is also a 0. It will produce the value as 2. Produce the value as 2. We'll see it. 2 and 3. The result will be 2. And next we will see the bitwise AND OR operator. Bitwise OR operator, rules of the bitwise OR operators. A or B, the values of A, B and result, the values are 0 0 0, the result will be 0, 0 1, the result will be 1. So 1 0, the result will be 1. And both cases of 1, the result is also a 1. We'll say in order. So we'll see in the example of the same. I will use 2 or 3. The result will be 2. The value of binary value of 2 is 0 0 1 0. The value of the 3 0 0 1 1, and the result value so 0 1, the value of value will be the 0 0 1 1. The value of result is 3. So we'll see it in here. 2 or 3. Sorry. 2
I'm
or
muted.
3. 2 or 3. The result will be 3. Next. Next we will see the bitwise XOR operator. Bitwise XOR operator has A cap B. In this case, A cap B, A B, and the result 0 0. The result will be, if the both cases are same, the result will be 1. If the both cases are different, the result will be 0. So 1 0 0. If the both cases are 1, the result will be 1. So we'll see in example 2 or 3. So 0 0 1 0 3 0 0 1 1. Result here the both cases 1 1 1. That is the difference 0. What is the value of this? 2 power 0 2 power 1 1 2. So
14, sir.
14. Thank you. We'll say it here. 2 cap 3. Oh, here the rules have changed. In case both different, the result will be 1. And this case, so 0 0 0 1. The result will be 1. I think so. So we'll see in another example 3 or 4. So 0 0 1 1 and 4. The value of 0 1 0 0. The result value will be if the value 0 0 both zeros, so both cases are 0, the result will be 0 1 1 1. It will be the 7. It's a 3 and 3 cap 4. So that is right. So okay, this is the rules. If both cases are same, the result will be 0. In both different, so either A is in 0 and B is in 1, different, it will be result will be 1. Okay. Next one, left shift and right shift. So see the left shift. left shift if n shifts s. This is the value, n is the value. So here n is the value, and s is the shifted bits. It's next one. You see in a formula, so left shift equals to n into 2 power s. 2 power s. How it presents here? 2 power. So I think power I am using star 2 power s here. So first we will see n value. So example we will see in the 2 power 3 combination. So 2 sorry, 31. So 32 binary value. It's very difficult right now. You see in this 2 and 1 bit, shifted bit is 1. I think it's better. So value is 0 0 1 0. This is the n. This value is n, and the value shifted value is yes. So we'll see the value. It's 0 0 1 1 value, 1 bit shift, 1 bit shift, shifted bit 1. The result should be the 1 bit in the left hand side, 0 1 0 0. It moves to the left hand side. So the result value is, I think it is a 4. So we'll see in the formula basis. ls equals to, so n means 2 into 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 means 2. 2 into 2, the result value will be 4. We'll see in the practical 2 shift 1. It will be the 4. Next, right shift. In the right shift, it's used in the n greater than s. So he is also n the value, s is the shifted bits. Formula of the right shift is right shift equals to n into n by. That means flow division 2 power s, and flow division 2 power s. So we'll apply it. So first we'll n value. So n value is 2, and the shifted bits is 1. I think so. So we'll see in the practical manner. So 2 0 0 1 0. It will be shifted into, I think it will be 1. So right shift result, it's 0 0 0. It moves to the 1. That value will be the produced will be 1. It's in the formula, and so rs right shift equals to n value is 2, flow division 2 power s value will be the 1. So 2 power 1, the value will be the 2, 2 by 2, that result will be the 1. We'll see it in practical way. So 2 greater than, no, so right shift bit will be the 1. The result is the 1. Next, complement. It's a complement value. So in this case, it zeros as ones, zeros as ones as zeros, zeros as ones, and zeros as ones. That is a complement. So we'll see in the example. Here it is depend on the system bit rating. It is depend on the system bit rate. In case 32 bits are available, it will be depend on the situation of the system system bit. In case your system is 32 bit, depend on the 32 bit, it will be converted and it then produce the result. In case in your bit is 64 bits, it will be converted and it will produce the result as 64 bits. My system is in 64 bit. So it will be converted. So for suppose in the 21, 2 power 64 bits at a large value. So you see in the one example. Shift complement 1, the result will be the -2. It produces the reverse of the value. So in case the result 5 2 4 5 3 something, it reverse of the -2 4 5 4. It produces the opposite value of that. Okay. So it's a simple, ఏమంటారు గుడ్డి గుర్తు అనుకుంటే లాస్ట్ వాల్యూ it will be the minus and that will produce the 4 increment by 1. Here the value 1 means it's a -2, it produces the value plus increment by. Okay, thank you. Sir చెప్పమ్మా.
సార్ అంటే మీరు చెప్పినారు కదా సార్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ అంటే 1 as zeros and zeros as 1 అంటే దీన్ని ఇలా అనుకోవచ్చు కదా -n+1 ఆ ఫామ్ లో అనుకోవచ్చు -n+1
అనుకోవచ్చు. ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ is the bitwise operators. Next operator is the assignment operator. Assignment operator equal to is the assignment operator. Assign a value to the variable by using the equal to operator. So here some in C also some shorthand operators like that. In C, Python also it is available. So plus equals to, minus equals to, star equals to, and it will shorthand operations like A equals to A plus B. So like you will use the A plus equals to B, like that you will use. So both left hand and right hand first value is the same, you will design like this. Okay, and this assignment operator, so design so either arithmetic and bitwise operators only we will use to shorthand operations. But suppose this is slash equals to, double slash equals to, star equals to, in the same types. Arithmetic are bitwise operators except complement remaining operators. You want to list a and b equals to b, a equals to a and b. So for suppose a equals to, so you will use a equals to a and b. A and b you will use in the a and equals to b. So in case we will use in the or operator, or equals to a equals to a or b, a or equals to b, a or equals to b. Like this left shift, right shift, and cap equal to left shift equal to right shift equal to cap equal to, like this we will use in the assignment operator. Assign a value to the variable. So we'll see in the practical. So for suppose a equals to 3, we'll increment the value by 1. So here in Python, a increment and decrement operators are not available. We will see, we will use by this mechanism only. A plus equals to 1. Now the value, so space, a plus equals to 1. Now the value of a is 4. So here the mistake is I'm passing the space, that's why it's take it as a mistake. So syntactical error, unexpected indent is nothing but a space here. We will use the shorthand operators like this, and membership and identity operator. So one more operator is the membership operator. What is the membership operator? So why we are using the membership operator? That means membership operators are test for the membership in the sequence. It's a sequence type of elements. It's just like a string, list, tuple, like that. This type of elements, we will sequence type of objects. Sequence of objects will test the membership are there. We will check it out. So Python membership operator test for, it is test for, so it is a test for membership, test for membership in a sequence such as sequences or string, list, tuple, etc. There are two operators in the membership. There are two operators. There are two operators in the membership. First one is in operator. Second one is the not in operator. not in operator. First we will see in the in operator. So in, so evaluate true. So it evaluates either true or false. And so in case if the true, the sequence is available, left hand side operator sequence is available in the right hand side, it will produce the result as true. Otherwise it is a false. So evaluate true, evaluate true, evaluate true if it finds in the sequence, if it finds in the sequence, finds in the sequence, specified sequence, it is a true, otherwise false, and false otherwise. Totally reverse in not in. Evaluate false, evaluate false if it finds true, if it not find, no, sorry, if it not finds true, if it finds, it is a false. And the same, it finds in the sequence, and otherwise, and true otherwise. We'll say in the example, but suppose Rama is a string, A in Rama, A in Rama, it's available. Then it produce the true. We will see in practical. If suppose A in Rama, yes, it's a true. So this is the sequence. The string is the sequence. A is available or not? We'll check it out here. It's A is available. That's why it's produce the true. In case I will use the E in Rama. We'll check it out. It's the false.
హలో సార్, క్లాస్ అయిపోయిందా? హలో.
సార్ 1 minute సార్ మైక్ ప్రాబ్లం అంట. 1 minute ఆగండి, సెట్ చేస్తుంది.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఏమైందను
ఓకే ఓకే
సార్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ అయిందండి సార్ అక్కడ, అందుకని మైక్ వర్క్ చేయట్లేదు. ఒక నిమిషం వెయిట్ చేయండి, లాగిన్ అవుతాను అన్నాడు.
రైట్ 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 పిల్లలకు కూడా చెప్పు ఒక మాట. అదను
చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పెట్టాను సార్.
రైట్ రైట్
నవా
Dear participants, sorry for inconvenience. Actually, sir having a problem at laptop. Actually, he is facing a network issue. So we'll continue class tomorrow, and definitely whatever the recording that I did here, that I will share you in a WhatsApp group. And thank you for attending today's class.